Hi folks, I'm out here today with my 5.56 upper, my SOTA arms upper with Anderson lower, and today I'm going to try out some American Eagle 55 grain full metal jacket ammo. We're going to kind of see how it patterns and at 100 yards, kind of see what kind of pattern you can expect out of it through a 16-inch upper. That was the American Eagle 55 grain through my SOTA AR upper 16-inch. I'm going to put that grouping at about 6 inches. Had two nice ones right there in the middle, but kind of strung out. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day and please subscribe.